how to make a 2x2 hidden door in Minecraft. So first, just find a place where you want to put your hidden door to. I want this one, so I'm just gonna make a passage basically right here and just dig it up. So once you've dug up all of the space right here, what you need to do now is just simply get your sticky piston and just simply put one right there. So 2x2 blocks right here, and of course on the other side also. Then place one that should be facing somewhat like this, just like so, and another one just like that, and on the other side also. So it should be looking like that. It's good. Oh, I'm just gonna move this a little bit so that it is the same as the other one right here, and just put the other one like that. So that should be looking like that. And next, just put the block that you want to cover a door to. So I'm just gonna use a grass block so it will look natural, just like so. Now, once it's done, just put some blocks here at the top of the sticky piston right here. Now, once it's done, just put redstone dust here on the middle. So 4 bits of redstone dust and 2 bits on both sides right there, and connect it with a redstone repeater and just click on it once and on the other one once also. Now just simply go get your lever. So I have mine right here, and just go out here outside and just simply put it on top of one block right here. And when you click on it, as you can see, it now closes up the door just like so. That's how you basically make a 2x2 hidden door in Minecraft.